King Population, what's happening? For those who probably missed the live, when I did the live, we're gonna read from this book, Ancient and Modern Britons. Some nice gems in it. Make sure y'all get y'all screenshots. Or labyrinths of Egypt, America, and Altria again. Number 3, C, the title Children of the Sun. We ain't even gotta keep reading. Right? The Children of the Sun? Come on, man. Come, I'm about to start sounding like Boosie on here. Come on, man. Come on. Pyramids, labyrinths, and Children of the Sun. Thank you for the gifts, OG Tribe. All right. Pyramids, labyrinths, and Children of the Sun. All right. But he ain't done, though. All right. Children of the Sun. Which this title was born by the Incas and the Pharaohs, right? Incas and Pharaohs. Such as the name Amaru. Come on, man. Come on. Pyramids, labyrinths, and Children of the Sun. Thank you for the gifts, OG Tribe. All right. All the deities is Negroes. It come from the darker races, the darker Asiatics, right? The Moors, the Negro, right? In those books, they called us Asiatic. Right? Moor, the Negro, the Asiatic, the darker races, or the darker Asiatic races that brought you civilization and religion and astrology and written language and all of that, right? The original Asians. You more Asian than the Native Americans. I'm going to put it like that. Whether people want to admit it or not, or whether people want to accept that hard truth or not, you're more Asian than the Native Americans. All right? In the root. Words and spells. In the root. ATL. ATL shouting. All right? In the root. ATL. All right? In the root. ATL. Which in the original significance does not belong to the European, but to the American languages, is in Iberia. Similar language structures. All right. Copper colored races, huh? So how does language having similar structures in America and Iberia? What's the connection of America and Iberia? All right. Humboldt thought there were affinities between the Basque, right? The Basque and Etruscans. So now you can throw in the Etruscans, the Basque, Altria, Iberia, and America into this language structure. Who is the Etruscans? Right? The Iberian side be Indian the whole time. So we really mix with hella different Indian branches. There you go. There you go, Lou. There you go. So let's get going though, right? So he said that they are natives of Mauritania, right? What's happening, Copper? Chippewa in the building. So they are natives of Mauritania, or, parentheses, it may be more correct to say that Mauritania implied as much, though in different quarters as, quote unquote, Cynthia did, unparentheses. Okay? Thank y'all for the gifts. Thank y'all for the gifts. I appreciate it. Thank y'all for the gifts. Thank y'all for the likes, the love, and the share. All right. All right. So it says any Latin dictionary. What's that in the C3? Grand Risings. It says any Latin dictionary. Any Latin dictionary. Any old one. At least. Language. know you just read that in a book. All right, so the Berbers call America Amaruk. That's Berber language too, Amaruk. They call America Amaruk. Appreciate the gifts. Thank y'all for the gifts. They call it Amaruk. Now, the Picts, who are blackamoors, right? More, right? The Picts, right? So when they say the Picts, look, thank y'all. They say when the Picts look like, or no, not look like, they say that the Picts are blackamoors, right? Chaldeans and shit, right? The Chaldeans, they call America Amorica. I got inside the Chaldean book. The Chaldeans, who are the Picts, Moors, right? They say Amaru. So they telling you that red and chocolate brown the same. What's that in King Wash? When this archaeologist used the word red, and he says red man, it is not very different from when this professor uses the word chocolate or chocolate brown people. The connection between this last theory and the consideration of ancient Bretons, don't forget, we're talking about ancient and modern Bretons, right? So in connection and consideration of ancient Bretons becomes apparent when one remembers that not only are these people allied to the Egyptians as being both Australoids. So they saying that the ancient Egyptians and the ancient Bretons damn near look like Australoids. But there is also a legend that the Scots are of Egyptian descent. What? Some of y'all got Scottish ancestors.